How to fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows 11. If you see could not find the recovery environment on Windows 11 or can't reset Windows 10 or 8 or 7, the issue usually comes from disabled or missing Windows recovery environment or a corrupted recovery partition. So you can find it by re-enabling WinRe, rebuilding the recovery partition, or using the system repair tools like SFC or DISM. So to resolve this, go ahead and check if WinRe is enabled. So go ahead and open Command Prompt, search for CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. And then go ahead and click on Yes on the pop-up. And then on the command prompt, go ahead and enter reagency space /info and then hit on enter. And then in here, you'll be able to find if it is disabled or enabled. So to enable it, simply enter reagency /enable. So as you can see, my WinRes status is enabled. Now, another thing you can do is to verify recovery partition. So when your image is stored in C//Windows/System2/recovery or C/recovery. If missing, you may need to recreate the recovery partition using a fresh winre.vim file. And then after that, we build recovery partition. So use JSM to copy a new winre.vim. So JSM/online/cleanupimage/restore then re-enable WinRe with reagency/enable. And lastly is to use installation media. So if recovery partition is gone, boot from a Windows 11 USB installer and choose repair from computer, click on troubleshoot, and then click on advanced option to access recovery tools. And that is how you can basically fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows 11.